Julius is a fraud?
Come on. Tell me. If, for starters, let me start at the beginning. If you're going to tell people to take land, where is the land that when you took? If you're going to tell people that they must take land when they see an open land, I can show him open land in Sandhurst, in Sandton. And when you follow all the banking protocols, you go apply for loan and even go further, you sit, where Mazoti is. And then you're fighting these guys. They've got, the loot. He's not doing that. And he's somersaulting. And his minions, they also somersault with him. First of all, he was pushing the Tutula line. And he changed. I mean, where have you seen a revolutionary supporting the vaccines, the lockdowns, which are spearheaded by the Billigators? I've never seen, a revolutionary like Julius Malema, who's saying foreigners must come here.